Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I'm going to do a very quick and easy nail art tutorial using some beautiful products by Sally Hansen. These are the Insta-Dri nail polishes. Also I have, and they're matte. And also I have a spray-on base coat. This is my first time using anything like this. And this spray-on base coat basically acts as a shield between your nails, your natural nails, and the nail polish that you're going to apply. So I am very, very curious as to how this works. It says that you're supposed to spray a little on each finger. I think I might have sprayed a little bit too much. And you allow it to dry down just for a few seconds, and then you apply the nail polish. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I let my left hand nails grow out pretty far. And unfortunately, I just broke my thumbnail last week. This video was filmed prior to that, so I may have to cut down all of my nails. And I'm upset about that, but I will be doing a nail polish or nail care video very soon, just showing you guys how I get my nails to grow and the different things that I do. Here I'm showing you how that base coat really did dry down, and you can see it has almost like a gloss on it. So it does look like your nails, but better. The first shade that I'm going to apply here, I'm going to put here in the video because I don't have the shades here on the desk with me. Alright guys, here is the best part, the stamping. I'm going to be applying just one pretty like flower stamp on my ring finger right over the color Molten Mauve. And it's a very pretty stamping plate from Big Bang Beauty. I'll leave the link down below. I also used one of the stamping nail polishes from Maniology as well as a stamper from Maniology. I also have a discount code for Maniology, so if you're curious and you want to try to do a little nail stamping, use TMC10 on their website and get a little percentage off, about 10% off, and join me with the nail stamping because I'm going to be doing a lot more as the summer approaches. So can't wait to share more nail videos with you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.